Number 5. The Panasonic Lumix S1R is the world's first full-frame mirrorless camera to combine a 47.3 megapixel high-resolution digital live MOS sensor and a Venus engine to deliver stunning photographs and videos. With a powerful 5-axis image stabilization system, you can shoot sharp, blur-free images even in low-light conditions. The S1R features impressive video functionality with both 4K 6OP4 to 220 10-bit and 4K 3OP for 222 to 10-bit internal recording. With its 6K PHOTO mode, you can capture high-resolution still images at an incredible 18 megapixel resolution. The S1R's advanced autofocus system allows you to track fast-moving subjects with ease. It also features a dual IS2 image stabilization system that lets you shoot with up to 6.5 stops of compensation for blur-free handheld shooting. With its impressive low-light performance and wide dynamic range, the S1R is perfect for capturing the most stunning images and videos.
Number 4. Welcome to this review of the Sony A92 mirrorless camera. The Sony A92 is an impressive piece of technology that is perfect for both professional and aspiring photographers. The Sony A92 is a full-frame interchangeable lens camera that features a 24MP XMR RCMOS sensor and a Bionz X image processor. The camera is capable of capturing up to 20 FPS continuous shooting with a blackout-free viewfinder and up to 10 FPS with AF/KE tracking. This makes it perfect for capturing action shots and fast-moving subjects. The camera also has a number of other features that make it stand out from the competition. It has a powerful 5-axis image stabilization system that helps to reduce
camera shake and blur, and a new AF system with 693 phase detection points that covers 93% of the frame. The Sony A92 also offers an impressive array of video features. It can record 4K video at up to 30 FPS and Full HD video at up to 120 FPS.
It has an advanced autofocus system with face detection and tracking, as well as S-Log2 and S-Log3 gamma curves for more dynamic range and color accuracy. The Sony A92 mirrorless camera is the perfect tool for photographers who want to take their photography to the next level. With its full-frame stacked 24-2MP XMR RCMOS sensor and its blazing fast 20 FPS shooting, you can capture all your special moments. This camera gives you a wide range of shooting options, from 4K video recording to full-resolution RAW stills. You can also customize the camera with its dedicated menus, allowing you to make the most of your shooting experience.
Hi, I'm Charles LeBlanc from Canon USA. Canon has just introduced a professional DSLR with the most powerful video features yet in a Canon EOS still image camera, the EOS 1DX Mark III. One of the highlights for serious video users will be its RAW video recording capability, and we'll explore that in this video. RAW video from the full width of the image sensor is a first for EOS DSLRs. This is 12-bit 5.5K video recording at the image sensor. RAW video can be recorded at up to 60 frames per second in camera, and you have the choice of recording RAW to the in-camera CF Express memory card and simultaneously recording 4K MP4 to a second card. So what is RAW? Similar to the still side, RAW video records the full sensor data and requires post-adjustment and processing before delivery. It delivers up to 12 stops of dynamic range when Canon log is active. With this forward-thinking format, native ingestion to different nonlinear editing systems could take some time. Powerful computers with fast CPUs and graphics cards will be needed for smooth playback. Canon anticipated this, and for the first time, Canon's digital photo professional now offers a new feature called the RAW Movie Tool. It allows numerous adjustments and also allows you to export the clips into an image sequence along with the audio saved as a WAV file. These can then be imported and edited using compatible NLE. For more information about the EOS 1DX Mark III, visit usa.canon.com. Thank you for watching.
Number 2. The Nikon D6 is the latest and greatest full-frame DSLR camera from Nikon. It's a powerhouse of a camera that delivers stunning image quality, blazing fast performance and unmatched reliability with its 20.8 megapixel FX format CMOS sensor. The Nikon D6 captures incredibly detailed photos with incredible clarity and color. It also offers fast and accurate autofocus with the 153-point advanced multicam to OKAF system. The camera's improved Expeed 6 image processor enables high-speed shooting up to 14 FPS with full AF/VE tracking and up to 10.5 FPS with AAF lock. And it's even capable of shooting 4K UHD video at 30p. The Nikon D6 is built tough to withstand even the most demanding shooting conditions. Its weather-sealed body is designed to keep moisture and dust out, so you can shoot in any environment with confidence. Plus, the Nikon D6 is equipped with dual card slots for added storage and wireless connectivity for easy transferring and sharing of photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, the Nikon D6 is the perfect camera for capturing high-quality photos.
Number 1. The Olympus EM1 Mark III is the latest flagship mirrorless camera from Olympus. It's a powerful and versatile camera that's great for both stills and video. The EM1 Mark III has a 20-megapixel LiveMOS
sensor and the TruePic image processor. This gives you fast and accurate autofocusing and excellent low-light performance. It also has 5-axis and body image stabilization to help you capture sharp photos. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the camera has a variety of shooting modes, including a Pro Capture mode that can capture up to 60 frames per second. It also has a high-res shot mode that creates 50-megapixel images, making it great for landscape and architectural photography. The EM1 Mark III can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. It also has a range of features for videographers, including time-lapse, slow motion, and focus peaking. The Olympus EM1 Mark III is a camera designed to help photographers capture sharp and detailed photos with ease. This camera features a 20.4 megapixel LiveMOS sensor, which allows for a high level of detail and clarity in your shots. Its advanced processor, TruePic 9, is capable of capturing high-resolution images with very low noise. Additionally, the EM1 Mark III has a 121-point autofocus system, 11 frames per second continuous shooting, and an improved image stabilization system that corrects up to 6.5 shutter steps. This camera also features an updated dustproof and splashproof design, making it ideal for outdoor shooting. In this video, we take a deeper look at the Olympus EM1 Mark III and its myriad of features. We will discuss its performance, design, and user experience, as well as its unique features that set it apart from its competitors. From its impressive autofocus system to its improved image stabilization, we will show you how the EM1 Mark III can help you capture stunning images.